Jai Gurudev children. In this video, I am going to teach you a poem from your lesson. Read the poem and answer the following questions. For practicing, I have given this para children. Okay. This I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. I load my little boats with Shivli. In this way, question written, write the name of the poet. So, children, these lines from which lesson? Lesson 1. So, lesson 1 name, day by day I float my paper boat. So, what is the name of that poem? This one lesson name, this one poet's name, Rabindranath Tagore. Yeah, who wrote this poem? Rabindranath Tagore. So in this pattern, uh, paragraph will come in second internal assessment. Okay children, next question, write the name of the poem. The poem name, you should learn the day by day I float my paper boat. But you learn the spelling also. Okay, or any name you write with the capital letter, otherwise I will cut the marks. Who loads the little boats? So see children, I load, I means child, that child, a poet, you can write I load my little boats. You write here the child. Next, what are the poet's hopes? So what the hopes? I means the poets. So I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. वो क्या उसकी होप थी कि मेरी बोट को कोई स्ट्रेंज में कोई किसी को मिल जाए और नो वो जान जाए कि मैं कौन हूँ, बिकॉज ही रोट द नेम with capital letter and village also. So you write in this way answer. The poet's hopes are that someone will find them and know who I am. You write from here children. Okay, in this way you write. Next, बच्चों, this is also grammar part, conjunction. So I am going to teach what is conjunction. In this way, a conjunction, this is definition children. Definition also you learn. A conjunction is a joining word. It joins two words, group of words or sentences together. जो कंजंक्शन होता है वो बच्चों टू सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन करता है या ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करता है. लाइक सी एग्जाम्पल्स आर गिवन हियर. टिक एंड टॉक आर ट्विंस. तो एंड इज अ कंजंक्शन. द सन इज हॉट बट द मून इज कोल्ड. तो बट इज अ conjunction. So how you will use and I written in detail. Harry has a bike, Binny has a bike. Two sentences are here. So how you will join with and? You see, Harry and Binny have bikes. तो बच्चों टू सेंटेंस को किसने ज्वाइन किया? एंड ने. तो दिस इज अ कंजंक्शन. So what you removed? Full stop. And two sentences को क्या किया? One किया. In place of has you written have, because two boys are here, so you use have. The conjunction and has joined and shortened the sentence. And क्या करता है? Sentence को short करता है without changing its meaning. No change the meaning. Both sentences express the same idea. दोनों का same idea है. Okay children? But is also conjunction. The conjunction but is used to join words or sentences that have opposite ideas. बच्चों, where you will use but? in that sentence opposite ideas. See the example. She has paper, she has no pen. So how you will use but? She has paper but she has no pen. This is the opposite ideas. Because is also conjunction. The conjunction because is used when we give a reason for something. जब आप स्कूल नहीं आते तो नेक्स्ट डे व्हाट मैम इज आस्किंग कि व्हाई यू नॉट कम टू स्कूल यस्टरडे, यू आर सेइंग मैम बिकॉज आई वाज नॉट फीलिंग वेल. तो यू आर यूजिंग बिकॉज इज अ कंजंक्शन. सी द एग्जाम्पल. जीना डिड नॉट come, she was out of station. Here two sentences are here, but when you because conjunction you will use, so this is a one sentence. Gina did not come because she was out of station. Or is also conjunction. We use or as a conjunction whenever there is a choice. बच्चों जब choice होगी then you use the or. Should I serve them tea? Should I serve them coffee? जब tea and coffee both है आपको choice करना है then you use the or. Should I serve them tea or coffee? In this way you use or. What you have to remember, when we join two sentences the full stop is deleted but meaning is remained the same. Okay children, thank you.